Hello, what is your name?
Durga Bhav Thapa.
How are you, Durga ji?
Fine.
How old are you?
46.
Are you married?
Married.
Okay, do you have any children?
Yes.
Okay. What job experience do you have before?
I have work experience as carpenter. 3 years Dubai, 3 years Saudi, 3 years Qatar.
Okay. Now, why do you want to come in Romania?
Um, to earn money.
Okay. What is your religion?
Hindu.
Okay. Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink?
No.
Okay. Thank you for your time.